Overall top 1 from the esteemed batch with high honors in accountancy, business, and management strand. Let's give her a big round of applause.
A pleasant day to each and everyone. You may take your seats. To our distinguished guest, our speaker, Mr. Joel Rodriguez, DepEd Regional Director Dr. Alan G. Farnazo Ceso4, represented by Dr. Marilyn D. Madrazo, President and CEO Professor Miguel D. Soledad, Chief Operating Officer Ms. Angelica L. Torres, Chief Academic Officer Dr. Erlin Jesse D., Dean of College of Allied Health Sciences Dr. Kristen M. Fiel, Dean of College of General Education, Management and Sciences, Dean Romy J. Muhammad U. Nalang, Finance Director Ms. Jessa Law, Group Head of Student Affairs Services Ms. Rai Christy Salvi Gomez, School Principal Mr. Kim Carlo T. Amorado, Program Chairs, Teachers, Parents, fellow graduates, a pleasant morning. Looking at all of you right now brings back memories of what we have fought for and what is burning in our heart at this moment. After traversing the long and arduous path of our senior high school years, we have finally emerged from the tunnel of radiant light success. It has been a long road over the years, and though it has not always been easy, the experience has brought us to who we are now. I have been groomed through this time, not just from my studies, but also from the experiences and the people who have walked with me. 2 years ago, I took a leap of faith and embarked on a journey to a city unfamiliar to me. Living here, separated from my mother overseas and my father in the province, has presented me with tremendous challenges. The distance from my family often feels like an insurmountable obstacle, casting a shadow of loneliness over my heart. The busy lifestyle of a city was something I wasn't used to at first, and the academic challenge was incredibly daunting compared to what I had endured before. I have encountered challenges that at times felt impossible to overcome. There were countless late nights when exhaustion set in, and I felt like I was at the end of my rope. I felt the weight of expectations pressing down on me like a heavy burden that I couldn't shake off. There were moments when self-doubt crept in, whispering that I wasn't capable enough or strong enough to succeed. It seemed like every step forward was met with 2 steps back, and the road to success felt like an uphill battle with no end in sight. The pressure to excel in my studies while trying to adapt to a new environment and juggle various responsibilities often left me feeling overwhelmed and lost. I often found myself questioning whether I had made the right decision and whether I would ever find my place in this unfamiliar place. It is in those darkest hours that I have learned to lean on the strength of my peers. My friends seemed to know when an encouraging word was necessary. My teachers pushed me a little higher when doubts began creeping in. And my family, true to their unwavering support and love, never let me believe that I stood alone. These were the most important reminders that I got along the way, and hence, I realized that I am not alone. Also, one of the most essential things that I learned was to be strong from within. I learned that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Every loss served as a lesson, and every mistake brought the opportunity of growth. By allowing myself to be vulnerable, I could be resilient. By confessing my fears, I could face them. And by celebrating small victories, I could keep taking strides forward. Moreover, the values of liberty to learn, integrity, fortitude, and excellence at Davao Doctors College have deeply shaped my character and also influenced my growth and development. The commitment of the school to these core values has equipped me with the necessary knowledge, skills, and values to overcome challenges. It empowered me to face adversities with resilience and motivated me to set high standards for myself and strive for success in all aspects of my life. With pride and humility, I want to give honor to the school's faculty and staff, especially to the school's principal, Mr. Kim Carlo Amorado, my advisors, Sir Lemar and Sir Arvins, Mu Alpha Theta moderator, Ms. Catherine Arabilia, and my subject teachers who embodied these values that played a pivotal role in shaping me into the individual I am today. Their guidance and encouragement have been instrumental in my personal and academic development, and I am deeply grateful for their mentorship. To my dear high school friends, Sheen, Carla, Chantil, and Jasmine, your steadfast support has been my rock. Additionally, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to Rachel, Mara, Shan, Nana, Angela, Leah, Rian, Mikay, and Keisha for being my pillars during our final years in high school. Your undying support has meant the world to me. Most importantly, I am deeply grateful for my loving and supportive family, especially to my parents, Mama Belle and Papa Al, who've gone above and beyond to turn my dreams into reality. Their unwavering commitment and the endless encouragement have been the driving force behind my journey, and for that, I am eternally thankful. I am also immensely grateful for the guidance and blessings bestowed upon me by the Almighty God. My faith has been a pillar of strength, providing me with resilience and hope during challenging times. I recognize and appreciate the divine guidance that has illuminated my path and empowered me to overcome obstacles. This journey has not only about academic excellence, but also about personal growth. The challenges I face and the support I receive from the people around me have not only prepared me for the next phase of my life, but have also shaped me into a person of resilience, compassion, and determination. I have learned to embrace adversity as a catalyst for growth and to approach life with the spirit of unwavering optimism. Before I formally end this speech, I want to leave you with a thought inspired by my favorite artist. We are a mosaic of all the things we've experienced. And as we move forward, we take with us the lessons learned and the strength gained from our experiences. As we stand at the threshold of a new beginning, let us remember that the road to success is often filled with twists and turns, but it is our resilience and determination that will guide us through. Let us continue to pursue our dreams with unwavering passion, knowing that each setback is an opportunity for growth, and each challenge is a stepping stone toward greatness. And as we step into the next chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the values instilled in us by our alma mater. Let us strive for excellence in all our endeavors, never losing sight of our potential to make a positive impact on the world. This is Keziah May L. Oliverio, your class valedictorian, wishing you the courage to chase your dreams and the wisdom to shape a better tomorrow. Congratulations, class of 2023-2024!
Congratulations to the class of 2024 overall top 1, Miss Keziah May L. Oliverio from Accountancy, Business, and Management strand. Ladies and